entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits. Local news and events happening around town. Giveaways and lots of musti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. And a live show on Sundays from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. with your hosts, Vanchika, Sushil, and Dolly Deep on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
In life, there's a lot to be thankful for and just as much to protect. The things that matter most to you are worth keeping safe. Mass Mutual Greater Houston. A Mass Mutual general agency is committed to providing the guidance you need to help you reach your financial goals. Their financial professionals work to earn your trust by delivering custom financial solutions and sharing your financial priorities. Mass Mutual Greater Houston can help you prepare for what's ahead and to feel confident in your family's financial future and your own. They understand who's counting on you. To learn more, call Lalit Jalan at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa would like to wish you a very happy Diwali. Let's celebrate with these bright deals. Face polish, $15, 50% off on gold and diamond facials. Do full arms or full legs waxing and get underarms free. And backed by popular demand, pumpkin spice facial will be extended for the month of November. Have the glow of happiness on your face this Diwali.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 12 noon to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Arey yaar, I had a long day at work and need a spot to relax.
I want to meet up with my friends, but I can't think of a place. Or maybe I just want to get out and enjoy some positive vibes.
Don't worry, I have the right spot for you. Bob's Lounge and Grill.
Bob's Lounge and Grill?
That's right, Bob's Lounge and Grill. They have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu with Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes. साथ में music और pool table भी है.
Wow, sounds delicious.
Located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Call 281-974-4918. That's 281-974-4918. Or visit them at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Facebook and Instagram.
Season's greetings from Arlings. In these trying times, we strive for the best, and Arlings is up to the test. Whether at your office, home, or with us here, Arlings can help spread the cheer. Delivery, dine-in, or takeout? Order today, we'll get it right. Arlings keeps the holidays merry and bright. Happy holidays to all. Halal menu available. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
Jalebi and basundi available every day.
Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, what's up?
Baby, let's go.
Namaste. Namaste. You're tuned in to Namaste Radio.
Namaste Radio.
That's right. Namaste, namaste, everyone. This is Namaste Radio right here on 10:50 a.m. A very, very happy Thanksgiving week and a very big namaste to everybody. You are listening to Namaste Radio on 10:50 a.m. You can also listen to us online at namasteradiohouston.com. Available on our iPhone and Android app, just on the Apple App Store or Google Play on the Android products. And listen to us on Alexa products. Just say, hey, Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. And watch us live on our Facebook Live. So plenty of ways to hear the show. This is Namaste Radio every Sunday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. My name is Dolly Deep. And with us also is Aap Sabki Bher Vanchika and Houston ka hero, Sushil. Hello, guys. What's up?
What's up, Sandeep?
Namaste.
You have to have the echo with it.
Namaste, namaste.
I'm good. How are you guys?
Good,
Good, man.
good. How
Fantastic. Refreshing.
have you been? Thanksgiving, huh? Already.
Yeah, I know. Just a lot of eating, a lot of very productive week, but of course safe. Did everything very safely. But
What about
yeah,
shopping?
lots of eating. Lots of eating. I need tomorrow back to the gym. Strict diet. So
And like you all can see, I पहले तो सबसे पहले I hope you all had an amazing Thanksgiving. Everyone who's watching us, who's listening to us, and जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, like Sandeep said, safe is definitely the key word. तो हम लोग भी आज safe हैं. We're doing the show virtually, so it's different, but it's still nice, and we kind of used to it thanks to COVID-19. So, but at the same time, हम show भी करते हैं और हम safely भी show करते हैं. So yes,
that's right.
welcome to Namaste Radio.
That's right. This top of the hour, start of the show right here is brought to you by Lalit Jalan. Call Lalit Jalan for your financial guidance. As a financial service professional, he can help you make informed and meaningful financial decisions based on your needs and priorities. Lalit Jalan is a sales manager and a financial service professional at Mass Mutual, specializing in retirement and estate planning. Call 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269. Lalit Jalan at Mass Mutual, 713-545-9269. So how was y'all's Thanksgiving this week?
It was good. Like you said, a lot of food, but at the same time, a lot of musty, and it was good spending time with each other as a family and with family. So great.
Nice, nice.
आपका कैसा था, Sushil?
Good.
He had a big smile on his face.
I don't know. You may have different thoughts, so why not?
Four days of fun starting Wednesday itself. Thursday chutti thi. Thursday we had a lot of fun, barbecue with family, spend time with family, and then yesterday we had some great time with some good friends. Hi Charu.
Hi, Charu.
Hello, Charu.
And hello, Alifia. Namaste, namaste.
That's the Allings team, right? Yeah.
Yes, that is the Arling's team. So yeah, this week actually started with a scare, but I'm glad it started it that way because it gave us, especially Sushil and me, a sense of responsibility for not only us, around us. So definitely, Sushil and I went and got ourselves COVID tested. Thank God it was negative. I mean, Sushil's been getting more tests because he's in healthcare. Lekin mere liye it was, so it was different, and I was very scared, and Sandeep, I was very scared.
Yeah.
The test was negative, so I'm happy, and एक वो alarm बजता है ना कि हाँ, it's good to be safe than sorry. So
Yeah.
I would rather get myself tested before I see my parents. So that was the main thing for this week. But after that, yes, पूरा हमने safely सिर्फ family के साथ मिले, party किया, मजा था.
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, there was a news this morning. It's on ABC 13 on the app itself. This lady, she retired. She was a nurse. She retired at the age of 70 in January this year.
Oh, wow.
But since the pandemic hit in March, she decided to go and teach and prepare nurses for the pandemic.
Really?
So she's been giving one-on-one training to future nurses. And apparently she caught the virus from one of her students in October.
Oh.
And she couldn't make it.
Oh no.
Oh, man. Oh.
Well,
Yeah. That's why everybody, like we've been saying, just take it safe. Even this week, like once you guys said, we're here doing the show remotely and, taking things safe. But, like I said to Vanchika early in the week, let's be optimistic, stay positive. We do things safely. So,
But there is a lot of good news as well. Is because if you looked at the news or coverage everywhere, there was not a big line for Black Friday.
Oh, that
good.
for a change, a lot of stores were closed because in the past all these years, earlier when I moved to US, like almost 20 years back, stores used to open late in the night or only on Black Friday. But last year, the stores just were open even on Thanksgiving. So people actually forgot the meaning of Thanksgiving, forgot the meaning of spending time with family, even if it's a spouse or something. I am glad because of COVID, stores were closed in appreciation of whatever work the workers have been doing this
No,
year.
I'm talking about Black Friday.
No, and that's what I'm saying. And because of that, it continued and people stayed home.
Mhm.
So the
take
stores
more
were
time.
open, yeah. So there was no lines. Not because of that, I think because of the pandemic.
I think too this
There's
year,
a lot of good deals available, and people can shop. And I started shopping, and I have a big list for tomorrow.
I think a lot of restaurants that used to be open on Thanksgiving Day, I think were also shut.
Closed, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Even major stores were closed. Target, Macy's, everything was closed.
Kohl's was closed. The outlet malls were closed on Thanksgiving.
How do you feel about that, Sushil? I'm sure you're pretty happy about that.
Yeah, but not to worry. And as it is, I have my list of things ready that I need. I like to shop on Cyber Mondays.
Okay.
Monday, and I will definitely bring up some.
Will that be on Amazon? Amazon?
Or you can do it on Amazon, Adidas,
Yeah.
anywhere. A lot of deals available.
So
Apple really has some really good deals actually.
Yeah.
You won't believe.
yeah.
What
And
a change.
that's what I was going to say. I am more of an online shopper. So COVID, no COVID, it didn't really affect. And मैंने I think last year भी बोला था. I think I have shopped way more this year compared to last year also. So yeah. But let's get into our first song and then we'll be back with our little Bollywood gupshup.
Keep it locked here. Namaste Radio 1050 AM.
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था, रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
मैं तो रास्ते से जा रही थी, मैं तो आइसक्रीम खा रही थी, मैं तो नैना लड़ा रही थी, रास्ते से जा रही थी, आइसक्रीम खा रही थी, नैना लड़ा रही थी, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
So that was from the movie. If I'm not
Only
wrong.
number one.
Coolie.
Really number one, right?
Yes. And जहाँ Coolie number 1 की बात आती है, talking about Bollywood,
Mm-hmm.
going to see another Coolie number 1. But
Oh,
why
no.
is it called Coolie number 2?
Is it not called? Oh, it's still Coolie number one, or is it called Coolie number two?
Coolie number 1.
It's a remake. It's a David Dhawan movie. The same way he did Judwa, he remade it with his son. We all knew that he was making
So
it.
dad really wants to make him the next like Govinda.
Govinda. Yeah.
He's a better looking guy than Govinda.
So,
but he cannot act like Govinda. Though.
Definitely.
He's
Dancing, what do you
better
think?
looking than Govinda.
But he cannot act like Govinda.
What about no? But you see, some say like Farah Khan says Govinda is one of the best dancers in India. What do you think of Varun's dancing?
I think Varun is good dance.
Govinda is one of the best dancers of India. The reason is because Govinda dances from here.
She said
That's
one
what
of
it
them.
is.
Expressions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Coolie number 1 का गाना बजाया पुरानी Coolie number 1, but like we're saying, the new Coolie number 1 is going to release in March or April 2021 on Prime. और अभी उसका Prime में ट्रेलर भी लॉन्च हो गया है. It
Really?
stars Varun Dhawan
You didn't see
and Sara Ali Khan. I saw it.
You saw the trailer. A lot of people are saying.
जैसे आप सारी पिक्चरें मेरे बगैर देखते हो.
I
I
did.
think most of the comments that I
Nice
saw
for
for
you.
the
I couldn't
trailer.
watch it by myself.
I haven't seen the trailer yet, but I think most of the comments I saw was that he did a lot of overacting. I don't know. What did you feel about it?
I think Varun Dhawan is always overacting. Like his Judwa was also overacting. I think the only movie of Varun Dhawan that I liked is actually Nun.
Humpty Sharma.
No, there was one movie I liked of his.
Badrinath.
Badlapur. I liked his.
हाँ बदलापुर अच्छी थी लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा would you say क्या
Violence.
violent है. Thank you for the word. My vocabulary is going down the drain, but yes, it was not. It didn't go well with my heart. Like
Oh, okay.
I thought Nawazuddin was fantastic.
yeah, no, I mean they all acted well and गाने बहुत अच्छे थे.
Mm-hmm.
लेकिन मूवी ओके थी. अभी रिसेंटली वरुण धवन की कौन सी मूवी आई थी?
Street Dancer 4.
Yeah.
3D or whatever.
Any other movies?
No.
Anything? No. Other than that, I think Street Dancer.
Sui Dhaga. I thought he did a little good acting in Sui Dhaga compared.
Yeah, like another one, slow one, October, which was like.
We haven't seen
Oh,
it.
I haven't seen that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yes, so Coolie number 1 trailer is out again. आप Amazon Prime में देख सकते हैं, अम्मा जान Prime में. Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan. What do you think about that?
I don't like it.
Janvi hoti to you would have liked. Yeah.
She's fantastic.
Yeah. What do you think, Deep? Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan.
Sarah yet still has to like. Obviously, it's not easy being like somebody's daughter or somebody's son, right? From a
Like you
legend.
being somebody's daughter and son, right? See, I tell my dad the same thing.
Yeah, exactly, right? So, I mean, look, somebody's father, the colonel, ex-colonel too, right? That's not easy.
I tell my dad it's not easy being my father.
No, but I think she's
Simba tells me the same thing. It's not easy being your son.
same with her. I've only seen like these crazy psycho roles that she's done. I haven't seen anything like. There's no wow factor yet. Sorry.
True.
He called Sara Ali Khan psycho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Psycho roles?
Yeah.
I mean, that what he's trying to say is she's just added a little element to the like Simba movie. She was just an extra, right? Like she's always been an extra. There's no leading role.
And that Love Ajkal too.
I
She
don't
was
like her.
like, either she was just, I don't know.
Yeah, that's true. लेकिन सारा अली खान का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन अगर आपको सुंदर दिखना है, क्योंकि ये दोनों बोल रहे हैं सारा अली खान इज ओके एंड ऑल दैट,
I didn't say
लेकिन
okay. I said I
अगर
don't like her.
yeah he doesn't like it, लेकिन अगर आपको सुंदर दिखना है and you really want to feel relaxed and pampered and beautiful like I said, then Classy Diva Salon and Spa is definitely the place that you need to visit. We have amazing holiday specials going on. Check them out, check their Facebook page, their Instagram page, all the deals are there. Of course, the pumpkin spice facial is still there till tomorrow. So आज आप check out कर सकते हैं. लेकिन they do have an amazing deal like facial, face polish and eyebrow threading for only $50. So it's for the month of December till the end of December. Go check them out or just text Ruby for appointments at 856-693-8970. That's Classy Diva Salon and Spa.
That's right.
Let's do our second song and then come back quickly for some more Bollywood updates.
Keep it locked here. Namaste Radio, 1050 A. Tamaji Satakli from Singham Returns. Singham number 2.
Mala Ragi to.
And
Mujhe
one of
gussa
my
aata hai?
favorite, Kareena Kapoor Khan.
That's right, Kareena
One of my
Kapoor
favorite
Khan.
artists, Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
Yes, and a big hello to Subin. I think he's watching us, and my mom. Hello.
Blondie.
And someone who's been a big support of Namaste Radio, Mr. Ashok Bambani. Ashok uncle, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you.
And we have the Goan Houston team watching us too.
Oh wow, okay. Are they giving us some Goan food?
Yeah, I hope so. I'm gonna try that.
Hello everyone watching, Namaste, and keep listening always and give us your feedback. आपको जो अच्छा लगता है, जो बुरा लगता है वो संदीप को बोलो, जो अच्छा लगता है वो मुझे बोलो.
और जो कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है मुझे बोलो.
क्योंकि Sushil is like, do what you want. What is that Salman Khan dialogue? Do what you want, I don't care. Something like that he used to say.
So, Ji mein aaye kar lo. What?
Something. I think it was like a big boss thing, like, you know.
Oh, I don't watch Big Boss. I don't know.
Even I don't watch, but मैंने trailer देखा था. Moving forward with our Bollywood news, अभी संदीप ने अजय देवगन का गाना बजाया है, तो कुछ अजय देवगन की तो न्यूज होगी ना, है ना?
Mm-hmm.
आपको
पता है
हाँ
हाँ बोलो
हाँ मैं आर्टिकल पढ़
So yes, Ajay Devgan. I think I spoke about this when COVID just happened because they had put together a big set for the movie Maidan for Ajay Devgan's upcoming movie, and they had to dismantle the set and puri shooting.
Oh yeah, I heard about that.
It is a biographical sports drama, and the name of the movie is Maidan, and it is based on the life of Syed Abdul Rahim, a sportsman. So उसकी शूटिंग अभी वापस से जो जून में रुक गई थी वो शूटिंग वापस से शुरू होगी and that's one of the big movies of Ajay Devgan and they are looking for a theater release, so I don't know how that's going to happen
because his last movie was very big. Tanaji, yeah. He did fabulous.
Yeah, that's true. And the set was dismantled on the same place, and now they're going to build it up again, and it is on a 16-acre land. How much money is being wasted उसको लगाने में, से निकालने में और अब फिर से लगाने में.
तो फर्क क्या पड़ता है? थिएटर तुम पैसा दोगे ना, मतलब पब्लिक पैसा देगी थिएटर वालों को. That's how it comes.
मैं नहीं पैसा दे रही.
But taxes से तो नहीं निकलेगा. You have a choice to go watch it or don't watch it.
Absolutely, but Ajay Devgan movie seems to be it's always something we all look forward to. They're nice movies.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, it was excellent. I loved the visual effect of Tanaji was very good, I thought. Acting wise, of course, Ajay Devgan is very good and Saif was very good. The other movie actually I'm really looking forward to are two movies. One is Suryavanshi. I don't know when it's going to have a theatrical release. The other one I'm looking forward to is Brahmastra. So I hope it gets a theatrical release.
So Suryavanshi is Katrina Kaif and Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar, yeah.
It's the first movie of Alia and Ranbir Kapoor together.
Yeah, so it's produced by Dharma Productions. It's in three parts, trilogy. It's not the most expensive movie in Indian industries ever produced. So the visual effects would be amazing. So that's
more than Bahubali?
Yeah, they've spent about over 300 crores.
Wow.
In the movie.
Bahubali was around that, right? Or like 2, 3?
2, yes. But Bahubali was made, 7, 8, 6 years ago. So the visual effects of these, the VFX should be much better.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt. So.
Wow.
Look forward to it. So this was about Maidan. Ajay Devgan, go check it out, the trailer. Trailer to aaya nahi, sorry, the poster, go Google it up. Now another movie, and this has been a series. I think we've seen many makes of this real incident that happened 26/11 back in Mumbai. बहुत सारे इसमें series बने, but then now Prime Original Mumbai, it's going to be called Mumbai Diaries. और उसमें मेरा favorite actor होने वाला है, so I'm waiting for it. It's going to be starring Mohit Rana.
Oh. Okay.
Mahadev, Devo ke Dev Mahadev, yaar. Devo ke Dev Mahadev.
He was in that movie, yaar.
He was in Uri, Vicky Kaushal's brother-in-law
who gets killed, who
yes,
dies. Oh.
Who dies. But he's the one who played Devo ke Dev Mahadev.
Okay.
Web series was very good.
Yes, Bhokal.
Bhokal.
Yeah.
It was very good web series.
So it's 12 years to 20. Can't believe 12 saal ho gaye. It looks like.
Oh, Rico.
Nahin, 26/11. The Mumbai attacks. And they are going to. This is called Mumbai Diaries. It's a Advani movie. Now, who's Nikhil Advani? I know, but
he's the one who directed Kal Ho Na Ho and the Hiriya Sehra Baan Ki Mehta. What was that movie?
Salamesh.
There you go.
Didn't he do Hum Tum as well?
No.
Hum Tum was Imtiaz Ali.
No, it was not Imtiaz Ali.
No, it was not.
He used to come on. He was a critic now, movie critic. What's his name? The guy who did Fana, the same guy.
Okay, I got it. I know his face. I don't remember his.
Kohli.
Kunal Kohli.
Kunal
Kohli.
Okay.
So yes, Mumbai Diaries. It will be out on Amazon Prime. So let's see. Hoping to be out in March 2021. That's the main. Go check out the trailer is out again on Prime. Yeah. And before we get into the final song of this hour,
I'll say there's one more place you're going to check out.
What?
And that is none other than Aling's Chinese.
Exactly. उधर तो जाना ही है बहुत.
Hungry now.
तो अगर 4 दिन भी आपको बस नहीं हुए तो आज भी वो खुले हैं और आगे भी खुले रहेंगे, of course. So guys, check out Aling's Chinese food. They're the best Indo-Chinese food in all over America. I don't say Houston, but all America. Lucky to have them in Houston, especially for us, back of our neighborhood, right there, 10 minutes drive away from us. But the food is so popular, Sandeep, that, a couple of times that we've been over there, we have seen people coming from Dallas, people coming from San Antonio, Austin, and from Woodlands. They drive especially
just for that, yeah.
Chinese, because जो उनकी sauces है और वो 1000 degree wok में खाना बनाते हैं. It's so amazing, so fresh and so juicy. उसकी बात ही अलग है. And on top of that, they have amazing cocktails at the restaurant itself. आपका कोई favorite cocktail? आपने काफी try किया उधर?
I think I like the cucumber or the regular mojito there. Yeah. And Mango-Rita too, yeah.
Very good. So guys, they're available for dine-in or pickup, curbside pickup, or you can order from Uber Eats, favorite Grubhub app for delivery. You can pick it up at the restaurant. Go check out their menu if you don't know where they are. That's alingschinese.com. That's their website. They're on Highway 6 and Highway 90 at 6542. Highway 90. Unka number at 281-242-0432. Go check, enjoy. That's not how it is.
That's right. And follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And before you get into that last song, I want to tell you about the song. It is a latest Tony Kakkar song. And of course, the female version is sung by his sister, Neha Kakkar. But the person who's playing the lead roles is Shehnaz and Siddharth Malhotra. Shehnaz Gill and Siddharth Malhotra. No, Siddharth Shukla, sorry. Siddharth Shukla and Shehnaz Gill. Siddharth Shukla is a very, very, very famous TV actor. He's a good, handsome-looking guy. Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania mein wo uska wo banta hai. If you remember, Sandeep?
Oh, the one who's
fiancé banta hai, yes.
Oh, okay.
But he's a famous TV actor, and him and Shehnaz met at the Big Boss season last year, and they fell in love. And with the complete makeover, Shehnaz has lost all the weight. And I think the jodi is known as Sidnaz. So Tony Kakkar and them came together right now and made this song. And I think it's very, very, very cute. So check it out.
Here's Shona, Tony Kakkar, Neha Kakkar. Keep it locked here.
तेरा बदन पूरा तेरा इलाका मैंने न झाका मन तू लेटेगा का मैं डाकू नहीं हूँ न डालूंगा डाका पर हर सर्दी में गर्मी में जाड़े में बारिश में तुम मेरी होना शोना मेरी शोना 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 हो शोना मेरी शोना 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 हो मोहब्बत हो गई है तो निकाही दो
Namaste Radio on 1050 AM. Modern Indian Radio. Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
In life, there's a lot to be thankful for and just as much to protect. The things that matter most to you are worth keeping safe. Mass Mutual Greater Houston. A Mass Mutual general agency is committed to providing the guidance you need to help you reach your financial goals. Their financial professionals work to earn your trust by delivering custom financial solutions and sharing your financial priorities. Mass Mutual Greater Houston can help you prepare for what's ahead and to feel confident in your family's financial future and your own. They understand who's counting on you. To learn more, call Lalit Jalan at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Hello, this is Pradeep Salhan of PSPC Bookkeeping Services. Call us today at 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Our services include bookkeeping, income tax returns, company formation and startup, tax strategies and consulting, and much, much more. We are located at 14340 Torrey Chase Boulevard, Suite 110, Houston 77014. So call us at 281-580-8700 and ask for Pradeep or Sid. Again, that's 281-580-8700 or 281-583-2993. Thank you and namaste.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको आमंत्रित करता है। हिंदू वेडिंग सेरेमनी हो या एंगेजमेंट, सत्यनारायण पूजा हो या गायत्री हवन, बेबी शावर पूजा हो या वास्तु शांति, लक्ष्मी पूजा हो या गणपति पूजा, या जीवन में सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी लानी हो, आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल लोकेटेड है 5645 हिलक्रॉफ्ट एवेन्यू, स्वीट 701 पे। डिटेल्स के लिए फॉलो करें गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल फेसबुक पे। तो आज ही कॉल करें पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868। जय श्री गणेश।
गणपति नमो नमः, श्री सिद्धि विनायक नमो नमः।
Hi, this is Venki S.
Hi, this is Keshav Dhanraj.
I'm Samal Puri.
Hi, this is Sanam Puri. And we are Sanam.
You are listening to Namaste Radio, Modern Indian Radio.
जो तेरी देखी चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, लग जा गले के फिर।
Welcome back to Namaste Radio. Welcome back to Namaste Radio right here on 1050 AM on our iPhone and Android apps, on NamasteRadioHouston.com. Watch us live on Facebook Live right here on our Facebook, Namaste Radio Facebook page. And of course on Amajan Auntie, Amazon, you can just say, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio live. Right here on this bottom of the hour, this is brought to you by Bob's Lounge and Grill, the right place to relax, meet up with friends, because they have a full-size bar, hookah, delicious menu in Indian, Chinese, and Goan dishes, with also good music and a pool table. And if you go on our Namaste Radio Facebook Live as well, you can also see that Sushil and Vanchika tried the food from there recently, see the dishes they have, their feedback on it. And I'm telling you, the butter chicken and so many other dishes are the best in town. So definitely visit Bob's Lounge and Grill at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. 832-310-8440. That's 832-310-8440. Visit their website, bobsloungeandgrill.com, and like Bob's Lounge and Grill on Instagram and Facebook. That's 832-310-8440.
That's right. And hi, Deepak. And wow, we have someone listening to us from India all the way. Hi, Mani Pedama. He's going to kill me for that. But hi, Melvina. That's Charu's sister listening to us from India. So hello.
Oh.
Hello, namaste, namaste, namaste. And of course, we have Sushil's mom and his sister listening to us from India. So hello, namaste. So moving forward, ये है time हमारे Bollywood birthdays का. We have an interview lined up with a very, very, very well-known, बड़े हंसमुख से स्वपन जी के साथ at 1:45. So before that, we will get into our Bollywood birthdays. तो किसका birthday है?
मेरा तो नहीं।
December 1st, which is आज क्या तारीख है 29, so which is Tuesday. बॉलीवुड के लेजेंडरी सिंगर हैं जिनका मजाक पता नहीं बेचारे इतने सीधे से है कि सब लोग इनकी मिमिक्री करके मजाक कराते हैं. There you go.
There you go. Yeah. But definitely not only one of the best singers in India, but definitely one of the most down to earth singers, I think.
Absolutely. And Deep, remember last year when he was here and I think Rajendra ji unka show lekar aaye the, he was the only one who was like, it's okay guys, I'm not tired, I'll sing for y'all even if you'll ask me like 10 times.
Yeah, exactly.
That was the best thing because उन लोगों के आई नो बहुत बार गाते हैं लेकिन हम लोग जो उन्हें लाइफ में एक बार मिलते हैं वी वांट ऑल दैट वी हैव ऑल दैट एक्सपेक्टेशंस यू नो that was one of the biggest heartbreak I think I had in my life because and बीच में घुसा रही हूँ ये बात My life was like at that time, you know, it's like Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. And when Shah Rukh Khan met me, he just walked past me. Like, excuse me? Why? I was very, very, very hurt. But it's what it is. That's the reality. किसी की गलती नहीं है. So, you said Udit Narayan, बहुत down to earth, and that's true. And happy birthday to him, December 1st.
Can you believe it's already been a year since we met him last year? It was
I
November.
know. No concerts this year.
Sad, yeah.
Yes. Moving forward, December 2nd को जिनका birthday है, social fast clue. He had a late entry in Bollywood like Amrish Puri नहीं actor हैं, बहुत ही बढ़िया actor हैं, इन्होंने बहुत ही conventional roles किए हैं. नहीं, Amrish Puri नहीं है. I said late in life. He's done. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's good.
Because that is the clue. He's the only one like Amrish Puri, and they did amazing roles there. Like,
Yeah, speaking of him, actually, when I got home late last night, I put on one of my favorite movies of all time. And that's
Munna
the
Bhai.
like second Munna Bhai.
oh, second Munna Bhai.
Yeah, and I think he plays a Sardar, but I think any Sardar character in
Lucky.
Bollywood, nobody's done it better than him. His body
Lucky
language.
is his name, right?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Lucky.
Yeah. Lucky Singh. Yeah.
That's
Well Soon,
that's
Lucky.
the Get Well Soon was from there, right?
Get well soon, and then he does the whole the starting with Gaitonde. He's like, ये wallet hai, ये bullet hai, tu choose kar, like that. So
बोल हिंदी में dialogue बोल संदीप.
no, I'm not doing it again. So. ये wallet hai, ये bullet hai, tu choose kar.
It is correct, yes. So yes, Booman Irani ka birthday hai December 2nd ko, and he shares his birthday with
Wait.
not you, but
He was a TV. This is a TV actor, isn't he?
he came in movies and he has played big side roles in movies like Pardes.
Side role in movie like Pardes? Oh, you mean that guy, Apurva Agnihotri?
That's
Yeah.
Isn't he Rati Agnihotri's brother or something?
She didn't tell me.
I thought, Agnihotri.
And he was in. Wasn't he in that Jesse Koini?
Yeah. He
This
was.
is exactly the same way we think, right? Om Puri, Madan Puri, these all their brothers.
No. I thought they genuinely
Pani Puri,
were
Bhel Puri.
brother and sister, but maybe somebody may be able to let us know. So yes, December 2nd ko hai Booman Irani and Apurva Agnihotri. And we have an interview, so I'll finish this before we get into a song. December 3rd ko hai...
I miss this lady.
Huh?
I miss this lady who's coming.
You miss her in movies.
Good actress, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. She's her mother was a famous actress, right?
My
No.
mother was a favorite actress, then the Munmun Sen.
Oh, that was Munmun Sen. Sorry, that's Riya Sen and Zaima Sen. No.
Or Dimple Kapadia.
I don't know what clue to give. Yeah, Konkana Sen Sharma. What is the clue?
Oh, you could have just said movies like Wake Up Sid.
Yeah, she's a Bengali.
Really, Sushil?
Life in a Metro.
She is a Bengali, but that's not a clue.
Life in a Metro, Wake Up Sid.
Yeah. So Konkana Sen Sharma, and she shares her birthday with this guy who his first movie was
Very underrated.
movie.
Very underrated, very underrated, very talented actor.
90s man.
And my dad loves this actor. He's very versatile. He doesn't really come as a hero, but he's more of the supporting actor, or he's a Punjabi actor.
Yes, he's a Sardar actually, and he's very famous in Punjabi movies. No,
He's got like an American.
90s.
He's got a Punjabi last name, but his first name is like American.
Yeah. Okay.
She said Yashraj
his-
launched him in 90s.
Yeah.
Yeah. First
And
movie.
it was a 4-hero movie. One hero was Shah Rukh Khan, and there were 3 newcomers.
Oh, Jimmy Shergill.
That
Yes.
Uncle thing.
Yes.
I thought that was a 2000 movie.
no, it was 90s for sure. I think so. Maybe 2000. Okay, whatever.
Early 2000, I think, like 2000 or 2001, something like that.
And then the last birthday is December 4th. Before we get into a song break, December 4th, and his father was a very, very, very old actor. मतलब काफी time से, and he is one of the first break dancers. और काफी अच्छा dance
Javed
करते
Jafri.
हैं. हाँ,
There you go.
पता है.
Boogie Boogie.
That's true. But
You
I
know
mean,
who his father is?
Oh, I forgot his name.
No, Johnny. No Johnny, yes, Papa.
Johnny Walker.
No, that's
Johnny Walker.
that's everybody's godfather after 10 o'clock. Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker is my best
I
friend.
know he just passed away. Yeah, Jagdeep. हाँ अभी अभी उनकी death
शोरमा
हुई.
भोपाली.
Yeah, अभी भी death हुई थी. We spoke about it, right?
पैसे दे दो.
So quick wrap up on our birthdays. Udit Narayan, December 1st. Bhuman Irani and Apurva Agnihotri, December 2nd. Kumar Sen Sharma and Jimmy Shergill, December 3rd. And Javed Jaffrey, December 4th. So that was our Bollywood birthdays for this week. We'll get you the next set next week. But now let's get into a song break and we will be back with a very special guest on Namaste Radio today. Really honored to have him on air with us. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Keep it locked here. Namaste Radio, 1050 AM.
ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा इंतजार सुन सदाएं दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की ऐ मेरे हम सफर एक जरा सुन सदा दे रही है मंजिल प्यार की
Song right there is one of Udit Narayan's classics.
That's right. Udit Narayan, जिनके बारे में हमने बात की, उनका बर्थडे था. And now we have this very special person. अब इनके बारे में हम क्या बताएं? मैं शुद्ध हिंदी में कोशिश करूंगी इनको इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए आज. So he is, and which I really fail. So I will continue in English too. He is one of our very, very, very prominent community leaders of Houston. Wैसे professionally, he is a CPA and a very successful CPA. He has been in the Houston community for a very long time, gives a lot of his, volunteer work he's done for many different organizations, चाहे वो Chamber of Commerce हो, चाहे वो ICC, India Culture Center हो, चाहे वो IMA GHB हो, हर जगह हमने इन्हें देखा है और बहुत ही successfully इन्होंने हमारे कम्युनिटी को गाइड किया है डिफरेंट इवेंट्स हर चीज रिलेटेड एंड टुडे ही इज विद अस ऑन नमस्ते रेडियो टॉकिंग अबाउट एन अपकमिंग इवेंट फॉर द इंटरनेशनल हिंदी एसोसिएशन शुद्ध हिंदी में बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलते हैं ये एंड ही इज none other than the person who's always smiling and he is Mr. Swapan Bhairavan. Namaste, Swapan ji. Namaste. Welcome to.
Namaskar.
नमस्कार सपन
Sushil
जी.
ji.
कैसे हो?
Vanshika, Sandeep, how are you?
Very good, Swapan ji. It's our honor to have you on air with us finally on Namaste Radio.
Finally, it's the first time I've seen you on Facebook, but I haven't been over here. It's my first time. धन्यवाद आपने हमारा जो हमारे बारे में परिचय दिया 2-4 शब्द कहे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपके लिए and you are good friends and of course I like this जो आप कर रहे हो घर से बैठ के लोगों को थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट कर रहे हो थोड़ी कर्मणुक कर रहे हो थोड़ा सा जो है कार्यक्रम आप लेके आते हो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
थैंक यू स्वपन जी हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हर वीक विदाउट डिस्ट्रप्शन करें सो इवन अगर कोविड के नंबर्स ऊपर भी गए तो वी आर लाइक हम स्टूडियो फिर वर्चुअली करके वर्चुअल भी शो करने की कोशिश करते हैं हमेशा
सही है ये लाइफ ही ऐसी हो गई है पता नहीं कभी एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था कि एक दूसरे को बाजू वाले को पड़ोसी को हम मिल नहीं सकते हैं सारे अछूत हो गए हैं परंतु है
that's true so again, welcome and namaste from all three of us to you एंड आज हम सबसे पहले आपसे बात करेंगे। आप वैसे तो हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कहीं ना कहीं आपका बड़ा ही वो महत्व, रोल और हाथ रहता है।
इतना सा, इतने से
तो उम्मीद हो गई, हमने तो पूरा हाथ रहता है।
तिनका
लेकिन आज हम, क्योंकि वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट है जो हर साल होता है, एंड इस बार आप लोग अगेन वो भी वर्चुअली करेंगे, तो इंटरनेशनल हिंदी एसोसिएशन के बारे में हमें बताइए, बिकॉज हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है एंड जितने ज्यादा लोग जुड़े इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से उतना अच्छा है, तो प्लीज हमें बताइए।
जरूर जरूर। जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी समिति यह एक नॉन प्रॉफिट 501c3 संस्था है। 1980 से जो है कार्यरत है और अमेरिका में, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में 16 शाखाएं हैं। और इसके जो है अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी समिति का जो है मोटो, ध्येय जिसे कहते हैं, वो है हिंदी का प्रचार और प्रसार करना। और कोई भी माध्यम से कीजिएगा, आप जो है गीतों के द्वारा कीजिएगा, कोई कविता के द्वारा कीजिएगा, कोई गद्य के द्वारा कीजिए, कोई कथा कथन के द्वारा कीजिए, या सिर्फ जो है बच्चों को पढ़ा करके सिखाए, यही हमारा ध्येय है। और इसके लिए जो है अनेक शाखाएं कार्यरत है। 2008 से जो है हमारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी समिति की ह्यूस्टन शाखा जो है बहुत जो ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो गई थी, अभी मैं थोड़े से आपकी तरह अंग्रेजी और जो है दूसरे भाषिक शब्द यूज करूंगा।
जरूर जरूर।
तो यह शाखा जो है 2008 से जो है हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी समिति आईसीसी के थ्रू रिवाइव हो गई, ये मैं जरूर कहूंगा। क्योंकि भाषा और संस्कृति, ये दो चीजें जो है एक साथ में चलती है। अगर भाषा को सुदृढ़ करना है तो संस्कृति भी होनी चाहिए। तो इस माध्यम से हमने शुरुआत किए थे। तो पहले हमारे कार्यक्रम सिर्फ यही होते थे कि हास्य कवि सम्मेलन, भारत से जो है हम कवि लेके आते थे। यहाँ पे साल में एक दफा जो है हमारा हमेशा मार्च या अप्रैल महीने में उसमें हास्य कवि सम्मेलन होते थे। 3-4 कवि आते थे, बहुत हंसा करके लोगों को लोट पोट करके चले जाते थे। परंतु इसके बाद हमने 2011-12 से हमने ये भी देखा कि ह्यूस्टन की प्रतिभा कोई कम नहीं, यहाँ पे भी बहुत ही जो है प्रतिभावंत कलाकार है। यहाँ पे भी जो है सारे भले ही वो भाषिक हिंदी हो या गैर भाषिक हो, ये मैं जरूर कहूंगा। आपने कहा कि मातृभाषा, हिंदी जो है एक्चुअली राष्ट्रभाषा है। इसको जो है क्या कहते हैं, राजभाषा का जो है स्तर दिया गया है। परंतु इसको जो है आप कह सकते हैं मातृभाषा, मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ क्योंकि मराठी मातृभाषा है। परंतु हमने 2011-12 से जो है यही नक्की किया कि जो है जो जिनको आस्था है भाषा में, जिनको प्रेम है, लगाव है, उनके साथ आप जुड़े, उनको जो है इस जर्नी में, इस सहल में आप लेके चले इनके साथ में, और जो है संस्था अपने आप कामयाब होगी और अपने आप अपना रास्ता दिख जाएगा। इसी मिशन के साथ, इसी ध्येय के साथ हमने 2011 में नए एक प्रकल्प शुरुआत किए। जैसे होली के हिंदी बोल हमने शुरुआत किया, जो हमेशा हम करते हैं जेवीबी में, और वो होता है मार्च के फर्स्ट संडे को एवरी ईयर, हर वार्षिक। और वह कार्यक्रम हमारा लास्ट कार्यक्रम रहा इस साल। आपको पता है पैंडेमिक मार्च 15 को हो गया था, उससे एक हफ्ता पहले हमारा ये हो गया, उसके बाद सारे कार्यक्रम बंद, ठप। फिर हमारा कार्यक्रम होता है एक जो हिंदी दिवस जो होता है सितंबर 14 को होता है हर साल। परंतु हम, आपको पता है कि सितंबर महीने में, अक्टूबर महीने में गेलाज होते हैं, त्योहार होते हैं, बाकी सब चीजें होती है। इसलिए हमने बाय इटसेल्फ ह्यूस्टन वालों ने नक्की किया कि दिसंबर की फर्स्ट फ्राइडे को जो है हम हिंदी दिवस मनाएंगे। और इस हिंदी दिवस को जो है लोकल, स्थानीय कवि जो है, इनकी प्रतिभा को जो है हम उनको लोगों के सामने प्रसारित करेंगे। तो गए 8-9 साल से जो है, 9 साल से जो है हम ये चेष्टा कर रहे हैं, और बहुत बहुत अच्छे कलाकार हमारे जो है मंच पे आ चुके हैं। तो ये हमारे संस्था के बारे में थोड़ा सा, हमारे कार्यक्रमों के बारे में थोड़ा सा। तो यही कार्यक्रम की जो जानकारी देने के लिए मैं आपके साथ आया था, जो हम कर रहे हैं इस साल दिसंबर की 4 तारीख, विच इज शुक्रवार, फ्राइडे को है। परंतु इस बार फॉर्मेट जो है टोटल अलग है। इस कार्यक्रम में हमेशा हमारे जो है, इट यूज्ड टू बी अ पेड इवेंट ऑफ कोर्स, परंतु इस बार जो इट्स अ फ्री इवेंट, एवरीथिंग इज वर्चुअल, आपको जैसे पता है। तो हमने थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेट बदला है कि इस बार जो है ऑन द इवेंट जो है हम लोग जो कवि है, जो स्थानीय कवि है, 6 या 7 जो हमने नक्की की है वो, और जो हमारी कमेटी है, 15 जन हम वेन्यू पे होंगे, दैट्स ऑल, विद डिस्टेंस, विद प्रोटोकॉल, विद ऑल द फॉर्मेट जो हम करेंगे। परंतु ये आपकी तरह लाइव फेसबुक पे जूम द्वारा जो है हमारे श्रोताओं के पास पहुंच जाएगा, यही हमारी चेष्टा है। ये कार्यक्रम यूजुअली हमारे, आप भी आई हुई है, मुझे याद है, 150-200 लोग आ जाते हैं इस कार्यक्रम में, परंतु इस बार जो है हम लोग फेसबुक द्वारा इस माध्यम से हम ट्राई करना चाहेंगे कि कैसा जाता है।
Wonderful, and we wish you good luck. So it is this upcoming this Friday, 4 तारीख।
Yes, 4 तारीख को और ये कार्यक्रम। और इस कोविड में जो है, जैसे वंशिका जी आपको ये बताऊं कि हम जो है सिर्फ कार्यक्रम बंद करके नहीं बैठे, हम जो है मई, जून, जुलाई में हमने सोचा, कमेटी ने सोचा कि देखिए सब लोग घर पे तो बैठे हैं, परंतु कुछ तो कर्मणुक होनी चाहिए, कुछ जो है एंटरटेनमेंट तो होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वही जो है लाइफ तो चलती रहेगी, टेक्नोलॉजी तो है ही है अपने साथ में, तो क्यों ना जो है स्थानीय कवि जो है उनको आपके घर में पहुंचा दिया जाए। तो हमने जो है कल शुरुआत किया। हमने, आपको पता है कि 9 रस होते हैं कविता के जो है, तो हमने जो है एक एक रस की जो है चुनना की। हमने पहले हास्य से शुरुआत किया और 3 कवि जो स्थानीय कवि है उनको हमने ले लिए हास्य रस, और हमारे करीबन श्रोताओं, करीबन 500 से ज्यादा श्रोताओं ने जो है हमारे हास्य रस में जो है सम्मिलित हुए थे। इसके बाद हमने किया वीर रस की है, वीर रस यानी शौर्य रस, आपको पता है उसके बारे में, तो वो हमने किए। उसके बाद में हमने किया जो है श्रृंगार रस। तो ये प्रतिसाद हमको जो है लोगों की तरफ से बहुत अच्छा मिला, तो यही हम अभी कर रहे हैं। जरूर 2021 में हम रूबरू मिलने की जो चेष्टा जरूर करेंगे, एंड वी विल सी यू, मोस्ट ऑफ यू, इन पर्सन।
Absolutely, absolutely. We pray for that ये सब वाकई में नॉर्मल हो जाए सब कुछ, और सब आपस में पहले की तरह मिलजुल के बैठ के आराम से चाय करके, जो आज जैसे आपने बोला लोकल टैलेंट जो है वो एंजॉय करें। और ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव बीन इट्स बीन माय ऑनर कि मैं आपके काफी इवेंट्स अटेंड किए मैंने, जो IHA ने और IICC ने मिलके करें, बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। एंड मेरी मॉम भी उसमें कभी कभार पार्टिसिपेट करती हैं, तो से और मन करता है कि नहीं जाओ और सुनो, एंड सब लोग बहुत अच्छी कविताएं बोलते हैं, तो इट्स रियली नाइस, इट कनेक्ट्स बैक टू इंडिया टोटली।
एंड नीरा जी सिर्फ जो है कविता ही नहीं लिखती, वो हमारी जो है हिंदी की जो क्लासेस भी होती है बच्चों के लिए, वो भी जो है चलाती भी है। एंड वी आर सो फॉर्चुनेट कि नीरा जी हमारी वो एक क्लास जो इंडिया हाउस में होती है वो चलाती है। वैसे हमारे प्रकल्प और 2 जगह पे चलते हैं, गौड़िया मठ में संडे को होता है, और जो है VPSS हवेली में होता है एक संडे को। तो यही क्लासेस हमारे चलते हैं, बच्चों की तरफ जो है हिंदी और प्रचार प्रसार, यही हमारा ध्येय है, ये हम कर रहे हैं।
वंडरफुल। एंड स्वपन जी, जो ये कमिंग फ्राइडे जो इवेंट है, वेयर कैन पीपल सी इट? फेसबुक का क्या पेज है?
फेसबुक का ICC ह्यूस्टन का पेज भी है, IHA ह्यूस्टन का पेज भी है, उसके द्वारा आप कर सकते हैं, या तो इवेंट ब्राइट पे आप जो है रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं IHA के द्वारा, एंड नहीं तो हमको आप कॉल करके बता सकते हैं, जैसे मुझे या राजीव सर को, दोनों को कह सकते हैं, हम आपको रजिस्टर कर देंगे। एंड इवेंट इज गोइंग टू बी लोकल ट्रेंड। इस बार फॉर्मेट अलग है, क्योंकि सिर्फ हम 3 घंटे का प्रोग्राम करते थे पहले, 2.5 घंटे का या आधा घंटा डिनर, परंतु इस बार जो है विदाउट डिनर होगा, परंतु जो है जो कवि वहां पे होंगे उनके साथ में जो है आपको जो है आप देखेंगे उनको मंच से, और 1 घंटे का ही प्रोग्राम होगा, short, sweet, and let's see how it goes.
And it's from 8 to 9.
8 to 9 बजे तक हमने एक क्वेश्चन रखा है, 15 मिनट का।
वंडरफुल। एंड हम जरूर नमस्ते के भी फेसबुक पेज पे, इंस्टाग्राम पेज में आई शेयर द जो फ्लायर आपने हमारे साथ शेयर किया है, और लिंक भी इवेंट ब्राइट का। तो अगर किसी को कोई भी क्वेश्चन है वो डायरेक्टली स्वपन जी को भी कॉल कर सकते हैं। मैं नंबर दे देती हूँ एक बार आपका, 281-382-0348। ये नंबर आप स्वपन जी को, जो भी आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है ये इवेंट रिलेटेड या जनरली भी IHA रिलेटेड, जरूर रीच आउट कीजिए स्वपन जी को। स्वपन जी, जाने से पहले how can people become a part of this organization, or like know in future that अभी क्या आने वाला है ये वो, तो आप जरूर बताइए।
तो जो है हमारी संस्था का जो है hindi.org यही वेबसाइट है, hindi.org। या तो जो है आप हमारी कमेटी यानी राजीव भरोसा इस साल के अध्यक्ष है ह्यूस्टन शाखा के, मैं हूँ, संगीता जी हैं, चारदी पटेल जी हैं, डॉक्टर उपाध्याय जी हैं, आप इनको जो है किसी को भी जो आप रीच आउट कर सकते हो। And ICC is our parent, and we always think that we are bonded together so neatly and very closely कि जो है ICC टीम के साथ भी जो आप पूछ सकते हैं हमारे बारे में icchouston.tx.org पे। एंड जो है आपको अगर कमेटी के साथ सदस्य वगैरह बनना है तो hindi.org पे वेबसाइट पे फॉर्म भी है, लाइफ मेंबरशिप भी है, एनुअल मेंबरशिप भी है, आप वो देख सकते हैं। देखिए संस्था में जो है सिर्फ जो है हम सिर्फ धन की नहीं अपेक्षा करते, हम जो है कार्य जो करना चाहते हैं, लोगों की भी जो है हम क्षमता देखना चाहते हैं कि लोग इस कार्य में जुड़ जाएं और हिंदी का जो है प्रचार में हमारे साथ में हमारे हाथ थोड़े मजबूत बनाए, यही हम चाहते हैं।
एक्चुअली वो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट इस कभी कभी होता है, क्योंकि कई बार स्पॉन्सर्स तो मिल जाते हैं,
स्पॉन्सर्स तो मिल ही जाते हैं,
अपना टाइम, जैसे हम कभी कभी, अब हम तो स्वपन जी को काफी टाइम से जानते हैं, तो हम मिसेस धैर्यवान को कभी कभी चिढ़ाते हैं। आपने स्वपन जी को कम्युनिटी के लिए एक दे दिया है कि ले जाओ भाई, ये हर जगह काम करेंगे। वो एक जो वॉलंटियर जो आपका एक टाइम है वो ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल होता है, एंड जरूर जितने हाथ आए आगे बढ़ के और हेल्प करें तो डेफिनेटली इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। तो बट अगेन थैंक यू स्वपन जी, आपने टाइम निकाला, संडे के दिन आए। जाने से पहले आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स लिसनर्स से?
मैं तो यही कहूंगा, देखिए कोविड में जो है सब लोग जो है आप कुशल रहें, अपने जो है प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो कीजिएगा, कहीं पे भी जो है एक्स्ट्रा चीजें जो है नहीं कीजिएगा, एंजॉय कीजिएगा। दिस विल नॉट come back, this time is not going to come back. Just take it as if it's a detachment from whatever it has been. You will come to the regular normal, and that time आप उस घोड़ दौड़ में लगे रहोगे, फिर that time आप बोलोगे, पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपको कब रुकना है। तो अभी एक टाइम मिला है आपको, जो वक्त मिला है, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा जो है ब्रीदिंग कीजिएगा, थोड़े से जो है आपके पैशन है, हॉबी है, वो ले लीजिएगा और आप जो है लाइफ को एंजॉय कीजिएगा।
Wonderful, beautiful words, Swapn ji, and thank you again so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sushil. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And hopefully next year तक संदीप अपनी शुद्ध हिंदी में कविता लिख के आपके शो इवेंट में
हमारे कार्यक्रम में जरूर आएंगे। यही हम चाहते हैं। देखिए ह्यूस्टन में प्रतिभा बहुत है, और जो है एक दूसरे से जो है हम इतना सीख लेते हैं कि जो है आप पूछेगा नहीं। हमने देखे हैं कैसे कवि उभरे हैं जब उनको हमने मंच दिया है।
वो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना बड़ा जरूरी है, एंड डेफिनेटली आप लोग वो अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं लोकल टैलेंट को। सो कंग्रेचुलेशंस अगेन, एंड थैंक यू, कीप डूइंग द ग्रेट वर्क, and you are always an inspiration for us, Swapn ji. So thank you for doing that for all of us here. Thank you.
धन्यवाद।
Namaste, thank you.
नमस्कार।
That was Mr. Swapn Dhairewan, and we are talking about IHA, which is this Friday. He said, I will be sharing the flyer on our Facebook page, so check it out. It's a free event. Go check out their Facebook page, International Hindi Association or ICC Houston. Check it out, और आपको पता चलेगा कि how you can watch them live. It's a free event, so don't miss out. And stay tuned. We'll be back after this top of the hour.
Namaste Radio.